Welcome to Ribbon. This is part 3 in the C# course. Um, we touched on Visual Studio, we touched on SoloLearn. What we're going to do in this tutorial is go back to SoloLearn and see the guide. So we're going to go back to SoloLearn, and if you don't remember, it's sololearn.com, and its course is C#, and you're going to click on that. Now you should see this page right here, and even if you don't, you can still stop and play the video, stop and pause the video. So we're going to click on basic concepts. Now you're going to see something called what is C#, right? I've already answered this question, and I'm on question the variables. Don't pay attention to that right now. Just pay attention to what is C#. Click on that. I'm not going to read all this out to you. I'm not going to, because that would take a lot of time. If you want to learn programming, you're going to need to learn how to read. You just will. It's a lot of reading, but you'll have a better understanding at the end of the day. So out of this statement, I'm going to read a few key things. Is the common language runtime. Okay, I feel like that is important when you're debugging and you have to go through information that you have a bug before you run a program, because if you have a bug that's after the program, it's a lot more difficult to find that bug. So I'm just going to read a little bit of this out. It says the CLR is the foundation of the .NET framework. It manages code at execution time, providing core services such as memory management, code accuracy, and many other aspects of the code. Okay, I think that's the most important thing to remember on this. And it says these concepts might seem complex, but for now, just remember applications written in C# use .NET framework. I think that's the most important. So once you understand this, what is .NET framework, click on the next button, and it should test you on what you've just read. It says which one is not part of the .NET framework. Is it operation systems? Is it common language runtime, or is a 3 .NET framework class library? Which one is not part of the .NET framework? So we know the .NET framework class library is a part of .NET, so that's clearly not it. And we know common language runtime, the CLR, is a part of .NET because it manages memory and other services. So we know that's not it. So is it operation systems? Let's find out. Click the button and you click next. There you go. And that's basically how you use SoloLearn. So let's actually get started with variables.